Good morning, people. Georgia Roots 24 checking in. It has been a cold front here in zone 8. Temperatures have been down as low as 18 degrees. It's Saturday morning, and because of my work schedule, I hadn't had a chance to really tend to the crops outside. So this is my first time getting a chance to look at the damage of this cold front. And as you can see, the cabbage are still growing, but my soil is definitely frozen. And I actually gonna harvest some of those cabbages today. But look at the strawberries, and look at the strawberry flowers, and my raspberry bush. Oh man, it's not looking too good. But hopefully, when the temperatures warm up, it can bounce back. So I'm not panicking now because I know nature will have its course, and it'll always do its thing. But the fig trees, since they're dormant, they were dormant anyway. I'm not sure if they took any damage or not because they didn't have leaves anyway. I guess we'll find out. But that was the brown turkey fig, and this is the Celeste fig. But in the ground, you see I had some tulips, as you can see there, and the peach tree as well, which I just planted that a week or two ago. So like I said, I don't know if any damage was done because it didn't have leaves in the first place. Check out my peas. Check out my peas. I'm just hoping that the peas will be able to bounce back. And additionally, my blueberries don't look bad at all. So the blueberries seem to be very cold-hearted.
This boy got a hit.
Very, very cold-hearted. Anyway, gonna take some time to harvest some cabbage flowers to eat for the day. And thank you for tuning in to another video. Till next time.